Yeah. So what had to be replaced?
No, the whole front, basically.
Yeah.
Just a skirt and a radiator support panel.
Right.
Yeah.
And any damage down the sides?
No. Oh, a little bit of carnage on the door, but yeah.
Yeah, right.
Yeah,
Still all right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Front firewall. Even front firewall.
Yeah, or just basically the top of the rail here and the skirt and the radiator support.
Yep.
So yeah, we've just modified.
No other damage, exhaust all right, everything all
Yeah,
right?
no, all that was good. Done the radiator and the oil cooler in, and yeah, like I said, all the front. But look,
Have you done it so you can hold on? Yeah. That's a good idea. That's a good idea.
Was it already set up like that?
no.
It is now.
Yeah, it is now. Worst thing was because we stitch welded the whole thing, so to
Oh, you have to unpick it all.
unpick it all. Yeah.
Damn. Yeah. And how was the componentry at the front? Any damaged brakes or?
No, none of that. But we've just had the steering box fail on us, so we didn't go out.
Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, I was keeping an eye out. Okay. And did that happen in practice?
No, you come back and said it was getting a bit hard to steer, and
Yeah.
mucking around with it before and changing the power steer on the front, and then found out that it was a box. In town now trying to get it repaired.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Put in a wall again. No margin for error.
So we were talking about the scallops in the front spoiler down there. So is that for temperature control of the front tyres or anything like that?
No, just ductwork for the brakes.
For the brakes, okay. Yeah.
I thought they were all a lot more narrow.
Oh, there. No, that's right. That was all just cast up. So, yeah,
I wasn't sure if maybe it was to sit the clearance on your tyres and then